Hi there, it's Adam from KINCROME, and we're going to talk about the EZI Nut Riveter drill attachment, and I'm also going to show you how to use it. The EZI Nut Riveter is a great tool that allows for easy and fast application of nut rivets in light duty applications by attaching to your 12 or 18 volt cordless drill. They are incredibly useful in that they allow you to create a captive nut out of a drilled hole where the material might be too thin to be tapped or threaded, or access to the rear of the workpiece is just not possible. This tool is suitable for both stainless steel and aluminium nut rivets in the most common size threads, these being M3, M4, M5 and M6. Let's get into it and see how they work in these simple steps. Before we start, it's really important that you use eye and ear protection when using riveters and cordless drills, and gloves can assist with grip and vibration. Step 1. Determine the size of the nut rivet to be used and pre-drill a hole in the workpiece, fractionally larger than the nut rivet body. If the hole is too small, you won't be able to get the rivet in. If it's too large, the nut rivet will not engage and will fall out. Step 2. The EZI Nut Riveter already has a nose piece and mandrel installed in the tool. If you need to change this size to another, just select the correct size nose piece and mandrel for your nut rivet and unattach the required nozzle from the supplied wrench. The mandrel size is marked on the flange nut. Step 3. Using the supplied wrench, remove the nose piece from the EZI Nut Riveter and then remove the nose housing, using an adjustable wrench that is not supplied. A bit of caution with this step as the nose housing is spring loaded and it may eject from the body of the tool. Once unscrewed, set the spring and the nose housing aside and grab the mandrel and pull outwards. Using the supplied wrench, remove the mandrel and replace with the required new size and tighten firmly. Replace the spring, the nose housing and the nose piece. Step 4. Insert the hex shank of the EZI Nut Riveter attachment into the chuck of the drill and tighten to secure. Hold on to the nut riveter attachment and put the drill into the reverse gear slowly until you hear the clicking sound. This indicates the mandrel is fully extended and is now ready to accept a nut rivet. Screw the nut rivet directly onto the mandrel. Step 5. Hold the EZI Nut Riveter and put the drill into the forward gear. Now you just need to insert the nut rivet tip into the pre-drilled hole and pull the trigger slowly. The nut rivet is clamped to the workpiece. Step 6. Hold the EZI Nut Riveter with one hand and activate the reverse gear. This extends the mandrel and now you're able to just manually turn the attachment body counterclockwise to reverse the mandrel from the nut rivet. So there you have it, a great tool designed for the everyday user through to the once-a-year home project. A few important tips to remember. A nut riveter will not snap off or pop like a standard riveter. It's best to take your time for the first few rivets and practice on some scrap metal first. If you use too much torque on the drill and over tight the nut rivet, it can cause damage to the mandrel or the nut rivet. Lastly, the EZI Nut Riveter is not suitable with impact drivers, rotary hammer drills or impact wrenches or high torque drills. For more technical information, please visit the KINCROME website.